Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog of this holy month. Hope you all are doing well just like us. Keeping everyone in our prayers and do keep us in yours as well. This video was taken on a day after we had an iftar outside at a restaurant. For Suhoor, made a simple wheat and dal porridge. I have shown the jeera rice porridge we traditionally prepare. Shall share the link in the description box. I lost the clips I took of the ingredients used in this, but I'll share that in the description box and its quantity. I used wheat, then both moong dal, the whole and the split one. I had soaked this for 2 hours. Then add enough water and salt. Cook on high flame till the first whistle and then reduce it to low. Then cook for another 10 minutes. You will need a ground mix of grated coconut, green chilies and cumin seeds. Blend well and keep aside. After the steam is all released, open the lid and it's cooked. Turn on the flame and add the coconut blend. Let this boil for a few minutes. I got this cut mango pieces from my friend who came back from Kerala a few days ago. This looks ripe, but it's sour mango. Best for making coconut condiments to have along with any rice or wheat porridge. To temper the porridge, heat some ghee and fry enough shallots. This adds a good taste. You can skip the ghee and add oil if you want. Fry till the shallots are golden brown. Add to the dish and this is ready. Had marinated some fish pieces, so frying it just before serving. This porridge is healthy and filling. As it's wheat, your tummy stays full for a long time. Some of you still keep asking me, what do I do for my money plants to grow well? And the answer might be this, because I don't put any extra fertilizers or plant medicines. All I do, I water them every week and then once in a month or once in 2 months give them a shower just like this. I take all the plants to the bathroom, not just money plants, the rest what all I have, and splash water on the leaves and add water till the soil is completely wet. Plants look fresh and happy after this. So this is what I do to keep my plants stay fresh in my home. And I don't know if this sounds funny or silly, I do talk to my plants. It's said you need to care for your plants just like how you care for your kids. So maybe that's the positive energy they are getting from me in our home. The next day, I didn't make any snacks for iftar. It was straight dinner while breaking the fast. I did mention this earlier. I do buy frozen chicken for curry as well as for snacks. It's even easy to know the quantity needed for a serving as well. The warm semolina milk is what I prepare first mostly, and then later make it warm just before serving. In my previous video, I added 1 cup at the end, but you can also prepare adding all the needed quantity in the saucepan and then stir till the semolina is cooked. But for this method, you need to keep stirring till it boils. It takes a bit of extra time. I was checking on all of your comments on my previous video. Replying to your comments is done while I work in the kitchen waiting for something to boil or while cooking rotis. You can skip the shallots if you want, but this is how we traditionally drink this. Normally, I boil water and then cook the rice flour and then prepare the dough for rice rotis or rice dumplings. But you get few brands of rice flour from the market which doesn't require that. Army's and Ajmi's brand. This is nothing sponsored and I guess everyone knows about these brands. Add some salt and normal temperature water and mix to make it a dough. Here I am preparing rice dumplings in chicken curry. So to flavor the dumplings, we need to make a blend of grated coconut, shallots, green chilies, fennel seeds, cumin seeds. After I added the ground mix to the dough, I had to add some more rice flour to adjust the texture. Spread some oil in the steamer. Take some more oil to spread on your hands. Now take tiny balls from the dough and give a gentle press to flatten it a bit. You can boil this in water and strain. I normally like to steam this for 15 minutes. But make sure you let it cool down before adding to the curry. Preparing a simple chicken curry, heat coconut oil. Fry some curry leaves first and then saute crushed shallots, ginger, garlic and green chilies. Then add chicken pieces. Let it turn to a pale color. Then goes in 2 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, around 1 tablespoon coriander powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder, half teaspoon crushed black pepper. Mix everything till the raw smell of the spices go. Now add 1 large tomato that's chopped. Add 1 cup or a half more hot water. Add salt and mix. Let this boil for a minute. Add a handful coriander leaves that's chopped along with a cup of coconut milk. Mix well. This has cooled down. Try to roughly separate each dumplings if possible before adding to the curry. Mix gently. Now keep this on medium flame for 2 or 3 minutes. Give a mix gently. This might look watery, but as it sits, it becomes thick. Time to turn off the flame. If you're following me on my Instagram, you might have seen the reel on Kellogg's Noodles. I was shooting that video same day on my phone, so it's multitasking. If you don't know about the campaign, I have mentioned everything on the recipe reel and as well as on the announcement reel earlier. Let me brief it here. It's for Oman residents only. All you need to do is take a video of you purchasing Kellogg's noodles from any outlet here in Oman. Prepare a dish with it and the video should be well presented. Type your name and my name on the video. Send it to the WhatsApp number which I will be providing in the description box. Winners get amazing prizes. Check my description box to see the prices. I shall share my Instagram video link again below so that you get a clear idea on how to make the video. It was almost Iftar time, so getting ready to set the table. So that was our another Suhoor and Iftar day. We'll come with another video soon. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.